Most people get this wrong when they try to turn reward app earnings into real cash. They assume gift cards can be directly moved into PayPal like a bank transfer. But that is not how the system works. In this video, you'll learn how Mistplay gift cards actually work in 2026, whether you can transfer them to PayPal, and the real step-by-step method people use to convert rewards into cash safely. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the fastest workaround most beginners don't know about. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay does not offer direct PayPal withdrawals. You cannot transfer a gift card straight into PayPal from inside the app. Gift cards are the final payout inside Mistplay itself. So if you came here expecting a one-click transfer, that option simply does not exist. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though direct transfer is not possible, there are still practical ways users convert gift card value into PayPal balance using indirect methods. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is redemption. You earn units in Mistplay by playing games. Then you exchange those units for a gift card like Amazon or Google Play. This is your first conversion point. Step 2 is the resale method. Once you receive your gift card code, you can use third-party gift card exchange platforms or trusted marketplaces that allow you to sell gift cards for cash. That cash can then be sent to PayPal. For example, Alex redeems a $10 Amazon card. He then sells it on a gift card exchange platform at a slightly reduced rate. The buyer pays him in cash, which he receives through PayPal. But here's the problem most beginners face. They try random websites without checking legitimacy. That is where scams happen, and people lose their gift card value. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all gift cards sell at the same rate. Amazon cards usually have higher resale value compared to smaller or region-locked cards. That means your choice of reward inside Mistplay actually affects how much PayPal cash you eventually get. Another method some users try is trading gift cards for services or products, and then converting those into cash indirectly. But this is slower and less consistent. In a minute, I'll show you the safest approach most users rely on to avoid losing money during conversion. The safest method is simple. Use well-known, verified gift card exchange platforms with strong reviews and clear payout systems. Always check fees before selling because they reduce your final PayPal amount. Now let's be clear about expectations. You are not doubling your money here. You are converting value. Usually, there is a small loss in conversion because platforms charge a fee. So to summarize clearly, Mistplay does not support direct PayPal transfers. The only way is to redeem gift cards first, and then convert them through trusted exchange methods. The biggest takeaway is this. Mistplay rewards can become cash, but only through indirect conversion steps, not direct transfers. If this helped you understand the process clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple earning guides like this.